Are you looking to maximize your workspace without the hassle of costly building modifications? Look no further. Mezzanines create space faster and at a lower cost compared to traditional building alterations, saving you time and resources. Imagine expanding your workspace without the stress of construction delays. But that's not all. Our mezzanines are designed to optimize the payback on your existing building by utilizing more of its vertical volume. It's about making every square foot count, enhancing efficiency and quality through improved workflows. At Power in Motion Industrial Sales, we take pride in providing turnkey solutions. Our pre-engineered bolt-together mezzanine systems are designed for fast and convenient installation right at your project site. Our team works closely with you to create a storage mezzanine solution tailored to fit your existing layout perfectly. We offer site visits, precise measurements, and expert layout planning to ensure you get the most out of your facility. Safety and compliance are paramount. Our mezzanine systems are built to local code requirements, including IBC and OSHA standards. Furthermore, we offer PE-stamped drawings, and our installation team has years of experience in the industrial construction field. Elevate your industrial space with Power in Motion, your trusted partner for mezzanine solutions. Unlock new possibilities, optimize your workspace, and create efficiencies like never before.